Warren Buffett is known as one of the best investors of all time. However, he's not only a great investor, he also gives out great advice because it is so common sense and practical. One of my favorite Buffettism goes like this. Rule number 1 is never lose money. Rule number 2 is never forget rule number 1. And Buffett's point is simple and complex at the same time. With all of the effort to make a profit, it's easy to forget that it may be more fundamental to avoid losses. So when considering an investment, instead of focusing on the maximum profit, first eliminate the risk decisions that expose your portfolio to unnecessary losses. This is a totally different mindset, and if you can do that, the gains will take care of themselves. Another favorite Buffettism is opportunities come infrequently. When it rains gold, put out the bucket, not the thimble. And Buffett is stating that when you see an opportunity, act quickly and decisively. A perfect example would be the stock prices are down significantly. In that situation, the odds become stacked in your favor. Just because the S&P 500 has had a decent rise from the bottom, that doesn't mean you've missed your opportunity. There are many stocks and indices that have not yet seasoned. So do your homework, be prepared, and wait for the opportunities that will come. ChewDog out.